arbitrationagreements.org. In our journey through life, sometimes the paths we traverse with others reach a junction where it becomes necessary to forge ahead separately. In such times, it's vital to find a way that nurtures understanding and mutual respect. This is where divorce conciliation steps in as a beacon of hope, guiding couples to a harmonious resolution. Before we go into detail, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you save time and money when resolving any type of dispute. Now, in divorce conciliation, we are presented with an opportunity to come together with the assistance of a neutral third party who facilitates communication and negotiation, helping both individuals find common ground. This method is proven to be more amicable and can significantly reduce the emotional and financial strains that typically accompany divorce proceedings. Let us take a moment to appreciate that in recent years, nearly 40 to 50% of marriages in the United States have ended in divorce. In this ever-changing landscape, more and more couples are leaning towards divorce conciliation as an avenue to foster understanding and open dialogue as they part ways amicably. Moreover, it's noteworthy to mention that couples who choose conciliation are often able to reach a settlement agreement in less time compared to traditional litigated divorces. This not only saves precious time, but also fosters a positive environment where both parties can work towards securing their future well-being. At this juncture, let us address a few prevalent misconceptions. Divorce conciliation is not about fostering a reconciliation. Rather, it's a process wherein we encourage amicable communication to reach a settlement that honors the interests of both parties. Through this approach, we aspire to craft agreements that are fair, equitable, and considerate, ushering in a new beginning for both individuals. Now, as we draw this conversation to a close, we are pleased to share that our dedication to fostering harmonious transitions during divorces is reflected in our efforts at arbitrationagreements.org. At our esteemed association, we are committed to offering affordable divorce conciliation services, standing as the top association in the country for those seeking a respectful and mutually beneficial closure to their marital journey. Together, we can pave the way for a future filled with peace, understanding, and newfound opportunities. It's our heartfelt invitation for you to explore the compassionate path of divorce conciliation with us today. To begin the process, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the process of divorce in the correct fashion and begin handling issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many couples and individuals use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, please give us a call. Also, what do you think about divorce conciliation? Do you view it as a strong alternative to litigation in a public courtroom? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you keep costs low and spirits high.